Hello everyone, my name is Bolaji. I'm a product designer and I'm a Webflow developer. Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I just want to talk about what this channel will be about, how we are going to go about it, and things we are going to be doing together on this channel. So basically, when I started as a graphic designer, not as a UI UX or as a no-code developer, I was just there. I was looking for a way to go about it. It was even my brother actually told me that I can actually go to YouTube to check videos on how to do this and how to do that, and I did. I followed what he said. I'm going to be doing on this channel will be sharing ideas. I'll be reviewing websites, sharing inspirations, like ideas that we can pick out and we can implement for our own projects or for any client's work that we need to do. Or if you're working for a company, I'll be breaking down design and what makes a good design and how we can learn one thing or the other. Basically, for conversations with the designers, with the entrepreneurs, just about productivity for designers and how to get better at our crafts and how to do well. One thing I really believe in so much is collaboration. I love to collaborate a lot. I love to talk to designers. I love to talk to business owners. I love to talk to experts, to leaders, to those that are killing it already, just to learn one thing or the other from them and to be better. So basically, why am I doing this? I love sharing ideas. I love talking to people. I love networking a lot. I reach out to people a lot. So if you're someone who wants to grow as a designer, who wants to get better at his craft, I want you to stick around. I want you to turn on notifications. Oh, don't forget to drop a comment. It is very important. Tell me something. Tell me a topic you love to see most on this channel. Things that you love to hear from me. Yes, let's do this together. See you in the next video.